some auxiliary cars going to the ballroom at the Notary. And you do the honors.
Mine's a bit bigger than I was expecting.
$19.99 install.
Right into the ballroom here.
Yep.
Interesting, you get the Dover buzz and you get the traditional buttons.
Yep. Oh, it's kind of a weird era for Dover traditional.
Runs beautifully.
Well, it's a Dover, what do you expect?
Yeah, no surprise.
Yeah, it's like an Atisson Dover era. You can try the other one if you want to.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, very cool.